Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Two people can work equally hard, but one is paid 10x more. The difference is not effort. It's not education. It's authority. Today I reveal a brand new wealth framework, the Financial Authority Scale. This scale determines exactly how much value the market assigns to your voice, skills, products, and presence. Section 1. What is financial authority? Financial authority is your perceived economic credibility. It answers one question: how much money will others trust me to move, teach on, invest with, or buy from? The higher your authority, the higher your income ceiling. Section 2. The 5 levels of the authority scale. Level 1. The unknown. No recognition, no brand trust, very low financial leverage. Level 2. The service provider. Paid mainly for time. Limited income growth. Level 3. The specialist. Recognized niche expertise. Premium pricing possible. Level 4. The voice. Your ideas create influence. Speaking, content, coaching drive income. Level 5. The market authority. Your name moves markets. Brands pay to align with you. Systems make money for you. Time no longer limits income. Section 3. Why authority multiplies money. Markets don't pay for hard work. They pay for trust at scale. Authority. Shortens sales cycles, increases pricing power, attracts opportunity, eliminates competition. Section 4. How to climb the financial authority. Scale Step 1. Claim a micro niche. Don't be broad, dominate small. Step 2. Teach publicly content creates authority. Step 3. Document results. Proof builds pricing power. Step 4. Systemize delivery courses, programs, platforms amplify income. Step 5. Build strategic visibility. Podcasts, panels, partnerships, multiply relevance. Section 5. Authority signals you're rising. People quote you. Your advice is requested. Your prices increase easily. Followers grow without forcing. Partnerships seek you out.